Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to send money from PayPal to GoTyme easily and safely. First, you need to link your GoTyme bank account to your PayPal account. Log into PayPal, go to Wallet, and select Link a Bank Account. Enter your GoTyme account details carefully and confirm. Next, once your bank is linked, go back to your PayPal dashboard and click on Transfer Money. Choose the option to transfer to your bank account. Now, select your linked GoTyme account, enter the amount you want to send, and review the details before confirming the transfer. Keep in mind that standard transfers may take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your region, while instant transfers may not always be available. Also, make sure your PayPal account is verified to avoid delays or errors. And that's how you can send money from PayPal to GoTyme quickly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.